Hello class. So the last couple of weeks, our first week we learned of what a biography is. So then last week I told all of you that we were going to find facts about our partners. Well, today we're going to learn about the writing process, and we're going to learn about how to write a biography. And how we do that is we're going to use the framing routine up here. Now this is what I learned, and this is how it works. So first we ask ourselves about the key topic. Well, our key topic is going to be the writing process. So we write down the writing process. So next, after we found out what the key topic is, we ask ourselves, well, what is the writing process about? Well, the writing process is about how to write an article or a passage. So write down how to write an article or a passage. So now that we know, what the writing process is, we next have to ask ourselves, what are some of the main ideas that we want to ask ourselves when we're doing the writing process? Does anybody have any suggestions or ideas? Very good, David. Planning the writing process, planning on what the article is going to be and all main ideas. Very good. Okay, so next we ask ourselves, we're going to plan the writing process. So that'll be our main idea. So we'll just write planning. So then, after we decide what the planning is, we're going to ask ourselves some essential details. So does anybody have any idea what some essential details would be for the writing process? So very good. Sorting out some of our main ideas and how we're going to sort them in the writing process. Very good. So we're going to ask ourselves, what facts about our partners do we want to know? About partners. Okay. So then we're going to ask ourselves, what's another essential idea? So we know some facts about our partners. Now, does anybody else know what another good essential detail we would need when we plan the writing process? How long we want our paragraphs to be. Very, very good. So next, we're going to say, how many paragraphs do we want it to be? How long will it be? Okay. So now we have two main ideas. And those are first, our facts about our partners. And then how long will it be? What are some other essential details when we're planning for the writing process? How we want to sort our main ideas? Very good. So next we ask ourselves, well, how do we want to organize our thoughts? So we'll write organized thoughts. So then, after that, does anybody else have any details that we could add to this? Besides the facts about our partners that we want to know, how long we want it to be, and once we organize our thoughts? Very good. Some key details that we want to add to our thoughts. Very, very good. So we'll just write down, well, what the overall idea's main idea will be. So now we have our first main idea. Now we have to move on to our second main idea. Does anybody want to give a suggestion on what they think the next part of the writing process is? Okay. Well, the next part of the writing process is we produce a draft. So when producing a draft, there are a couple of things we want to think about. Like, what do we want to keep in from our first part? So we ask ourselves, what main ideas do I like from the first part? What main ideas don't I like from the first part? So we're going to ask ourselves that. So we first start by producing a draft. So we'll just say draft. So we'll put drafting. All right. So then we'll ask, we go through the main idea and we pick out the essential details. So pick out details. So then, after that, what do we ask ourselves after we picked out some of our details? We want to ask someone what the essential details are? Very good, very good. So next, we organize our thoughts or details into order. Organize into order. So then after that, after we've done that, does anybody else know what we should write down next after that? So we should ask ourselves, are our ideas and our supporting details clean and organized? Very good. So next, we're going to write thoughts and ideas clean and detailed. Okay, does anybody have anything else to add to this besides pulling out our details, picking out our details, organizing our thoughts into order, and our thoughts and idea are clean and detailed? Anybody else? Nobody else? Okay, so next we're going to move on to our third and final main idea of the framing routine. So we're going to ask ourselves, well, now that we've plotted an essay, now we produced an essay, or we drafted an essay, now what's our last one idea? Anybody? Revising and editing. Very good, very good. So, we're just going to write editing. So, how I like to remember this is PDE, which stands for planning, drafting, and editing. So does anybody have any essential ideas for editing? Nobody? Anybody? What's that? Ah, yes, there we go. We're going to proofread and we're going to fix any grammatical errors. Good choice. So we'll just write down fixing errors. Okay. So then we're going to ask ourselves another detail. So does anybody know what another detail would be that we need to ask ourselves? Okay, we need to ask, are our ideas structured or not? Very good. So next, we're going to make sure that our ideas are in correct order. Correct order of ideas. Good choice. So then, after that, we're going to make sure, does anybody know what our last thing? So first we have fixing the errors, we have making sure our main ideas are in order, so what will be another thing? Lastly is proofreading. Very good, very good. Proofreading. So we're going to write down proofreading. So does anybody else have any ideas about the writing process? Anything to add to this? Anything they want to, questions, comments, concerns about this, about the writing process? Okay, well now that we've done that, now we ask ourselves, well, why is this important? Why do we need to know how to write a passage? Well, we need to know how to write a passage because, well, we're going to be writing a biography here soon on our partners, so you're going to have to know about how to write a biography. And this will help you when you write. So we're just going to write down here, helps us write and then we're also going to ask ourselves, well, it also helps us write a paragraph correctly. So we're going to put helps us write correctly. Okay. Does anybody else have any ideas about why it's important? So first we touched on It helps us write. It also helps us write correctly. So why else do we want to know about this? Helps us fix our errors. Very good. Very good. Helps us fix our errors. Okay. So now that we know that, is everybody ready to write a biography using this example up here? Oops, fix it. So is everybody ready to write a biography? Because now I'm going to hand out the biography sheet and have you write. Okay. Good job, everybody.